Good morning, y'all. Been a while. Well, we out here. Bright and early. See if we can't catch them. I know I ain't posting nothing at least 2 weeks, but I've been working and haven't found the time to get out, and the weather ain't been right. One thing after another. It's raining today, but not right now. Caught a little break. It's about 7:30 in the morning. So I figured we'd come out here and give it a try, see if we can't catch a few this morning. Probably gonna go tomorrow to Scott, hopefully. Everything pans out for that. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, we out here at Tanglewood. See if we can't catch us a few. Ain't nobody else out here. I got confirmation from the lady up front that I'm the first fisherman in, or at least I'm the first one that's paid. I'm sure there's plenty of people that come in here without paying. But yeah, guys, we're here. First catch of the day, some grass. Oh, that's a tree line. Yeah. And some more grass. We on a roll, guys. We are on a roll. I need to go buy some more jigs. I don't have any. This is the last one I've got. I've got a white one. And this one. That's it. Or no. I've got some swim jigs. I got a dark blue one and green pumpkin one, I do believe. Then I got a Guggen white and chartreuse. But these little jigs, I like to just cast out there and reel them in, because most of the time, with that Menace trailer on the back of them, that little kick going on, I get stuff to bust it on the move most of the time. We're gonna fish this little pond here I've only caught one fish out of this little pond. And it was a decent one. It's probably about 1.5 pounds. It wasn't bad. Frogs all over the place around here. Got one. Oh, it's a good one too. Look at that. Yes, sir. Guggen revolver, baby. Look at that. Yes, sir. Let's go. Good 2-pounder. That's a solid 2. Let's go. Nice 2-pounder. Beautiful fish. Get them back in the water here. Yes, sir. Let's go. And that Guggen revolver, baby. There he is. There he is. And I hope I caught that on camera, him smacking at it twice. That was awesome. See if we can't get another one. That drag is dumb loose. I don't want to be that tight. That was awesome, guys. First one on the revolver. Right here on the edge, too. Can't believe he came back for it, though. What's up, guys? Final spot today. Haven't really had much luck. I hooked 2 or 3 at Midway. Couldn't get them in. They come right off. I really need to get a stiffer open face rod. For sure. Because every time I'd set the hook, it just wasn't strong enough to set it. So maybe something a little stiffer for my open face. But we were down here at the pond. See if we can't get something to happen here. Finally, guys. Got one. Let's go. I got you floating at the ground. I had to turn that on in a hurry. You just stabbed me. There we go, guys. Fish number 1. Down here at the pond. Fish number 2 for today. Barb on that hook ain't no joke. Heck yeah. Alright, guys. We're out here down at the pond, as y'all can tell. And we'll see if we finish this video up. I'd like to catch at least 3. I mean, 2 or 3. I missed so many yesterday. I missed probably 6. Caught 2. It was horrible. I'm gonna retire the Zebco Roam. It just doesn't have enough backbone to set the hook on a decent sized fish. Especially when I'm running a bigger setup on it already, so it's already stressing the pole, running a heavy worm and a heavy hook. It's really not meant for it. So I'll be retiring it. Just be using this from now on until I can get some more. I plan to at least buy 1 or 2 more bait casters and a spinning combo. Preferably, probably all going to be Lew's. Lew's is just what I like. So that's probably what we'll go with. So far, both of my Walmart Lew's combos have been excellent. I haven't bought nothing from a website or anything like that yet. It's all been from Wally World. And it's amazing. Works and does what it's supposed to, I guess. I haven't had any issues. If y'all haven't seen, or if you don't know, I've lost my other rod. Had the exact same rod, a different reel, and lost it in the ocean like a dummy. I was throwing a heavy bait and it backlashed and ripped the rod right out of my hands. And yep, end of that rod. So I bought this one while I was down in Florida. Tried to fish in Hurricane Elsa, that didn't go over so well. And yeah, Walmart bait caster, Walmart reel, whatever you want, you know. Reel and rod both come from Wally World, and they do excellent. I'm hoping I can get the job done with this jig. I lost my old one, and I've caught quite a few fish on it. So I went and got another one. This is the Booyah Baby Jig. I was calling it the Bitsy Jig, and it's not the Bitsy Jig. I think another company makes Bitsy jigs. And of course, you know, I've got the Menace trailer on there. Yeah, that's just, they've been eating it. Green pumpkin. I've caught quite a few fish off of this. Sometimes you just gotta swim it, sometimes you just gotta jump it. Depends on what they're doing. When all else fails, go to the Wacky rig. We're going to a Wacky rig. I don't know, guys. I can't get them to bite. There was one on it. Oh, right in a pile of them. Got him. Oh my God. Guys. Well, Wacky rig it is. How did it, what? Oh wow, you ever seen that? It hooked itself. So look, I pull the hook out and then pull the hook back through. Huh. Crazy. Let's try that again. Oh, it's got such a slow fall. It looks good too. Ain't no way this thing's not gonna get eat again. There's a little school of them. There's probably about 3 or 4. And I set the hook on him good too. I'm telling y'all, I don't know what's going on. At least y'all seen that one. I guess. I hope. Oh my God. Should have waited. Should have waited. He was running with it though. He must just had the worm. That's a good thing that I didn't hook him. This is intense. Wacky rig life. Let's keep trying, guys. Still got plenty of daylight left. Oh, y'all just, this might just be a completion of all my misses. Who knows? So far, we are not doing so hot. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Got him. Finally. Thank you. Ow. Thank you, sir, for participating. Yes, finally, guys. Make sure y'all clean. Finally. Let's go. Not very big at all, but hey, it's a fish. And got my worm still. Like, I'm just gonna pull that out, move it over just a little bit, and reuse it. This worm's holding up great. Let's go. I just gotta wait a little longer. That's all it is. Gotta wait a little longer. Watch the line and wait. They're hitting it on the fall. Heck yeah, guys, finally. Oh! Well, guys, there was another one. Should have waited just a tad bit sooner. Or a little bit longer, I mean. Dang it. Heck yeah. We got it now, guys. If I could just get the hook in them. I think here's another one. No, not yet. That was probably the worm just falling. Yep. Come on. Come on, take it. He was messing with it. Let's go, guys. Figured something out. They want this here wacky rig, baby. Never would have thought I'd be out here whacking them with a wacky rig. Oh my goodness, I see some good ones. Something over there sitting. That was a big fish, whatever that was. I don't see him anymore. I think it's a carp. All I could really see is the tail sitting there. Got one. Yes, sir. They're not big, but I really don't care. Not after the past couple times I've been fishing, days I've been having, this is awesome. Pretty go. Make sure y'all clean. Let's go. Nice colors on it. Light colored. Yep. Fish number 2 today. Fish number 4 all together. Let's go. And the worm. Let's see. Now guys, this is all on the same worm too. I hear a lot of y'all talking about the wacky rig worms and which one's the best and whatnot. This is only my like second or third time using wacky rig. So far, this right here is where it's at. And it is the Strike King I think that's a misprint, but I think it's supposed to be a Slim Shake, but it says Shim Shake. Shimmy Shake. Shimmy Stick. Oops. I can't read, guys. Uh-oh, bass. Got nothing. Let's go. Let's go. Heck yeah. Boom. We always got a little. Oh, that's where I just hooked him. There we go, guys. Oh, wow. About broke my finger on that one. I set the hook so hard on this guy. Yeah, there we go, guys. Fish number 5. And we still got the worm, baby. I wasn't even paying that one no attention. I had my hand placement wrong on the rod, and it just... I don't know, it felt, it felt like I broke my fingers on that little fish. Well, let's cast right back out here again. That was laying at the bottom just hanging out. I think there's another one right there. Is that another one? Oh, that was another one. I missed him. Should have waited a little bit longer. Worm's still going strong. That's fish number 4 on this worm. Let's go. Let's make sure we got our hand grip ready. I gotta pay attention. Heck yeah, guys. This is what I